Now, we've never talked about these three sites before, but these sites will actually pay you a pretty good chunk of money. And when I say a good chunk, I mean a really good chunk of money. And I'm going to show you how I made over $700 a week in just a week just from using these three sites, and how I bought myself a cool PlayStation 5 and 3 of my subscribers a PlayStation 5 as well. Now, it's no secret that we all love to watch videos. I mean, you're watching a video right now, but what if you could actually get paid from watching a video? Now, that would be pretty cool. Now, if you want to learn how to maximize your earnings and actually make $700, you're going to want to watch up until the end so that you can start making serious amounts of cash from these three sites. But before we get into that, guys, if you would please do hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, because this channel is absolutely dedicated to giving you guys real money making methods online, because I've been through the struggle of having nothing in the bank account, and anybody who comes to my channel is going to be making tons and tons of money online. All they have to do is just try these sites out. So guys, please definitely hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, and also comment down in the comments section below which country you're from so that I can accommodate the whole world in my future videos. Now, let's get right into it. So the first site is cashkick.com, and this app paid me the most out of the three sites. This site paid me the most out of the three sites, and it actually paid me $300 straight to my PayPal. They even say it themselves, cash is the greatest reward. We'll deposit cash into your account for all the fun things that you're already doing, like answering surveys, finding great deals. But that's not what we're here for, guys. We're here to learn how to make money watching videos online. That's the most important one. And you could even make money from surfing the web. So you could actually enter one day, go into Google or Chrome or Bing or whatever search engine you use, and make money just from searching. So get started now. Get paid directly to your PayPal account. We'll deposit your earnings into your PayPal account. Our platform here is free. We'll never charge you for anything, and we will always ask for your consent before depositing funds. So before they deposit the funds, guys, they will ask for your consent. All you have to do is enter the email and choose a password and click the Get Started Now page. Now, it's obviously as easy as 1, 2, 3. All you have to do is find and complete missions, from answering surveys to watching videos online. There are always great and easy tasks for you to choose from. Complete as many as you like. There is absolutely no limit, and get that money paid directly into your bank account. Watch your earnings grow into your account. And 3, cash out early, easily, and often. Now, how does it work exactly? Companies are eager to get their deals in front of consumers like you and get your feedback. It's very important to them. In fact, your opinion is so valuable, they'll even pay you for it. All you need is a few minutes and internet connection, and we'll take care of the rest. And I'm getting to my favorite part, the testimonials. As you can see, guys, people are really profiting from cashkick.com. I'm included in there. Keep up the fabulous work, Cashkick. I just wanted to send you a note to share how much I appreciate your customer service. Another person said Cashkick has quickly become my favorite website, and quite possibly when I'm on cashkick.com is my favorite time of the day. So guys, I definitely recommend Cashkick to start earning yourself a cool amount of money straight to your PayPal account. Now, the next site that's going to pay you, but not pay you as much as Cashkick, it's still a lot of money though, is quickrewards.net. Now, this site paid me $200. So it's not a lot, but it paid me, it's something. I'll take it. $221 is some type of money. Okay. So you can get paid by completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, that's what we came here for, and completing offers and shopping online. Quick redemptions, no minimum for PayPal, processed within 72 hours. Weekly mailing of gift cards is also available. So if you do want an Amazon gift card, Best Buy gift card, Netflix gift card, you can definitely have that as one of your payment methods. Now the minimum to redeem is absolutely ridiculous. It's 1 cent. So this site is definitely a go-to if you want to make quick money. You can redeem from 1 cent. They've paid members ever since 2002, and they've paid over $7 million and more. And they have an A+ rating from BBB ratings. All right, so guys, I definitely recommend QuickRewards.net. And the last site to round everything up and get you a cool $700 is Creation Rewards. Be rewarded for what you do online at Creation Rewards. Earn a free gift cards and cash. New members receive a $5 bonus just for signing up. So all you have to do is sign up and you already get a $5 bonus. So this site is definitely a must. All you have to do is enter your email address, your country, password, and confirm your password and register now. Now here's how you can earn free cash and gift cards and more. You earn points by taking daily surveys, shopping online, and watching videos and exploring websites. You can redeem your points, free gift cards, or your favorite stores such as Amazon.com or Walmart. So guys, I definitely recommend these 3 sites to you. These sites are absolutely going to change your week, and they're going to make your week one of the best weeks ever. And you could get yourself the PlayStation 5, who knows? So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you found this video nice and fun, why don't you hit the like button right over there, and don't forget to comment down your country so that I can accommodate the whole world in terms of money making strategies. Now guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. This has been Real Cashers, and don't forget, I love you all. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.